I said. He shook his head. No, you do not, he said. Then he said something strange. Come with me. I followed him outside. He walked to his car. I did not know where we were going. He did not say a word. I sat next to him, confused. He started driving. The city looked different that morning. I saw people walking fast. I saw workers cleaning the streets. I saw men selling food on the side of the road. I never looked at these things before. That day, I noticed, after some time my father stopped the car. We were in a part of the city I had never visited. The buildings were old. The streets were not clean. People looked tired. My father pointed at a man selling fruit. Look at him, he said. He wakes up at dawn. He works all day. He does not rest. He does not complain. He works to feed his family. I did not say anything. Then my father showed me a small shop. Inside, an old woman was sewing clothes. She has been working for 40 years, he said. She does not have much money, but she works hard every day. I looked at the woman. She was tired, but she did not stop. She kept working. I had never seen people like this before. I had never thought about them. My father turned to Meadow. You see now, he asked. Life is not easy for everyone. Some people work hard every day. But you, my son, have never worked a single day. I felt strange. I wanted to say something, but I did not know what to say. I looked away. For the first time in my life, I felt small. I felt different. Something inside me had changed. We got back into the car. My father did not speak. He just drove. I sat quietly, thinking. The images of the man selling fruit and the woman sewing clothes stayed in my mind. I had never thought about people like them. I had never thought about work. My life was easy, but now I felt different. I did not know why. After some time, my father stopped the car again. This time, we were in front of a large building. It was his office. I had been there before, but I never stayed long. I only visited when I needed money. My father got out. Come, he said. I followed him inside. The office was busy. People were walking fast. Phones were ringing. Papers were everywhere. My father took me to his office. He sat down and looked at me. Do you know what I do every day? He asked. I shrugged. You work, I said. He nodded. Yes, but do you know how hard I work? I stayed quiet. He continued. I wake up early. I make big decisions. I solve problems. I take care of this company. And I do all of this for you. I looked around the office. I saw tired workers. Some were writing reports. Some were making calls. Some looked stressed. I never thought about these things before. I only saw the money my father gave me. I never saw how he earned it. I felt something strange inside me. It was guilt. Then my father handed me a small notebook. From tomorrow you will work here, he said. I laughed. Me? Work? I asked. He did not laugh. Yes, he said. You will start from the bottom. You will learn. I was shocked. But I don't need to work, I said. My father shook his head. You do, he said, because one day I will not be here. And then what will you do? I did not know what to say. I had never thought about life without my father. I had never thought about the future. I had never thought about anything except my own comfort. But now I had no choice. My father had decided tomorrow my life would change. Tomorrow I would start working for the first time in my life. The next morning I woke up early. It felt strange. I was used to sleeping late, but now I had to work. I got dressed and went downstairs. My father was waiting for me. He gave me a small bag. "Your lunch," he said. I looked at him in surprise. "Lunch? Can't I eat at a restaurant?" I asked. He shook his head. "Workers bring their own lunch," he said. "And today, you are a worker." We left the house and drove to his office. When we arrived, he did not take me to his big office. Instead, he took me to a small room. There were many desks. People were working on computers. A man came to us. He was wearing glasses and looked serious. "This is Mr. William," my father said. "You will work under him." Then he left. Mr. William looked at me. "Come with me," he said. He walked fast. I followed him. He gave me a chair and a small desk. "You will check these papers," he said. He put a big stack of papers in front of me. "Look at the numbers. Find mistakes. Mark them." I stared at the papers. There were so many. "All of them?" I asked. Mr. William nodded. "Yes, and work fast." I sat down and started. At first it seemed easy, but after an hour my head hurt. The numbers looked the same. My eyes felt tired. I wanted to stop, but I couldn't. Everyone around me was working. Nobody was resting. Nobody was talking. It was not like my old life. This was different. This was work. By lunchtime, I was exhausted. I opened my lunch bag. It was simple food. No fancy dishes, no expensive drinks. I ate quietly. I watched the other workers. They ate quickly. Then they went back to work. No long breaks, no fun conversations, just work. I missed my old life. I missed my freedom. But I also felt something new. I felt respect. These people worked hard every day, and now I was one of them.